So, you want to play Mobile Frame Zero. Well, you'll need these things before you get started. So first things first, you're going to want to go to mobileframezero.com and download the PDF for the instructions on the pre-built robots and a little bit of history and lore about the game, as well as information on how to play it. Now, the club itself will have a fee, and that's just to cover the expenses of cover and terrain that you can have your robots move around, as well as the tokens for the gameplay and some additional white dice, as well as a turn-down die. Now, to start your army, you're going to need 3 robots. You can see the Jones County 4-H office parts lists and build videos that are on this channel if you want to have these 2 pre-made robots. Or, if you don't have the parts or don't feel like building them, you can just use your own Lego collection and build custom robots, such as the Impervious Battle Duck. Preferably, we'd like to have them at least 3 inches tall and just the general range of robot size, so that way you don't have one really tiny robot and one giant robot. Now, to get Lego bricks, you can go to Pick a Brick and Replace a Brick, which are on the Lego.com store, and some of the parts in the parts lists for these robots will not be in Pick a Brick, so you have to go to Replace a Brick to get them. When checking out the Replace a Brick pieces will not be itemized in your receipt. Just know that they're there. You also need dice to actually play the game. You're going to need 2 red 6-sided die, 2 white 6-sided die, 2 green, 1 blue, and 1 yellow. For a heads up on how to actually play the game, watch the next video playing Mobile Frame Zero.